Jeneline Mercado mananatiling loyal sa GMA Kapuso Network. Ito ay ayon sa manager ni Jeneline na si Becky Aguila hinggil sa issue na lilipat na di umano ang actress dahil absent siya sa station ID ng kanyang network. Nilinaw ni Aguila na magiging loyal si Jeneline sa stasyon na kanyang kinabibilangan ngayon. I just want to clarify to those who keep on insinuating the issue of network transfer that Jeneline is a loyal artist of GMA and will always remain loyal for as long as her mother network wants her to stay. She was absent from the station ID simply because she was unavailable that day. Rest assured, GMA extended an invitation to her, which we very much appreciate. Hope this clears everything. We appeal to the public to stop spreading hate and false accusations online. Bukod kay Jeneline, minamanage din ni Becky Aguila ang karera ni Mr. ni Jen na si Dennis Trillo at ilan pang artist ng network gaya ni na Beauty Gonzalez, Mikoy Morales at John Lucas.